And you can see all of this corrosion in the battery chamber. I haven't found any holes yet, but that's going to have to be completely redone. Hello! I don't know why I keep taking my hat off. I just think it's funny. So we got some mulch yesterday from one of our new friends. And there's quite a bit of media in here. So I was going to use this for walkways, but I think I'm going to use it in the bottom of the beds for like Hugelkultur, because there's, you know, it's mixed in with dirt and leaves and a bunch of other stuff that's composting down. For walkways, I really wanted to get like a larger chip. So we're going to go ahead and put this probably in the bottom of the raised beds. And I put some of the media already. I took the tiller and tilled up some of the media into the soil because it was kind of composty-ish. Wasn't quite done, but it will work. This clay base needs something to break it up. It's going to get too compacted otherwise. I think the soil has a good nutrient value, but it doesn't have, it gets too compacted. My neighbors are bringing over the tractor. We're going to go ahead and start working on some of the fence line today as well. So the other thing we're going to do is head out to the north field and finish the soil samples. Okay. So we got our samples and we mixed everything up. Found something cool. An old tin can. And it has the, I think this is, let's see if it's a pull tab or not. I don't even know. It might be like a sardine can or something. I thought it was a soda pop. Interesting when you find old things like this. All right, so we're going to take our kit, throw it in there, put it down to the level, pull out some of the organics. All right, so we're going to send these in and we'll see what the results are. So we could start putting the bottom wood chips that's kind of got dirt in it already, soil in it, stuff we can put in the bottom essentially. I think I'm going to make the call and bring these 3-layer high beds down to 2-layer high. We used a lot more wood than we thought we would for the build, and I think to make more raised beds, I'm going to just make them 2 high instead of 3 high. I was going to put a lot of logs in the bottom, which is why this one's probably going to stay 3 high because there's logs underneath it. And we have artichokes in here, Jerusalem artichokes. Why I put Jerusalem artichokes in here, no idea. I was afraid of them running, I guess. But that's kind of a waste of a bed. But it's on the north side, so whatever. So I think I'm going to reduce the size of the bed first and then go that route. All right, so we're going through our boat here that we got, and the batteries that were in here were open cell. So the tops, as the boat pounded through the water, the boat was leaking battery acid into the battery chamber. So I took the tops off, and you can see all of this corrosion in the battery chamber. I haven't found any holes yet, but that's going to have to be completely redone before we can use this on the water. Okay, so we got most of the corrosion out of the box, and now we're running some baking soda in there to try to neutralize any of the remaining acid. I don't see that there is any actual holes in the bottom, but we'll keep digging here and make sure that it's safe to reinstall battery boxes with closed cell batteries.